हम लोग कांदिवली रहने चले गए, मगर फाफड़ा जलेबी कुछ भी चाहिए या गाठिया चाहिए, हम लोग यहीं आते हैं लेने के लिए।
मीठी मीठी जलेबी के साथ क्रिस्पी नमकीन फाफड़ा इस दशहरे का वन ऑफ द यम्मीस्ट ट्रेडिशंस है। एंड टुडे आई एम टेकिंग यू टू मुंबई सम ऑफ द बेस्ट जलेबी फाफड़ा प्लेसेस। I am currently in the Cherney Road area of Mumbai and moving ahead towards my first stop. If we talk about Mumbai's famous jalebis, one would think of JJ Jalebis, Mumba Devi Jalebi Wala, MM Mithai Wala and so forth. But I am exclusively going to places where you will always get the combination of jalebi and fafda in an authentic flavor until it runs out of stock. I have reached Panchratna Jalebi House.
Started 30 years back. Okay, जब यहाँ डायमंड मार्केट था फुल फ्लेज्ड, तभी स्टार्ट हुआ था। और स्पेशलिटी है जलेबी, पापड़ी, कचौरी, फाफड़ा।
Panchratna Jalebi House is known to serve one of the best jalebi fafdas in Mumbai, and I was about to find out why. My plate of jalebi fafda combo came with hot jalebis, fafda, the raw papaya chutney and fried salty green chilies. The jalebi was really hot and crispy. Biting into them, they were gooey from the inside and tasted freshly prepared with a beautiful aroma and flavor of ghee. They were a bit on the sweeter side for my taste buds, otherwise really good. To balance the sweetness, it was time to bite into the fafdas with some papaya chutney.
It is very reasonably priced. Jalebi is like 560 per kg in pure ghee. We make it in pure ghee. Papdi is 380, kachori is 380 and fafda is 480. So these are our special products. There are many other products also, but yeah, these four are the main products.
The fafda had negligible soda, crispy and mildly spiced. Perfect.
Do come to Panchratna Jalebi House for meaty jalebis, crispy papdi and fafdas and tikha mirchis.
Now I am heading to the Kalpa Devi area for not one but two authentic Gujarati nasta gems. And this is what I love about Mumbai. This melting pot of cultures with diverse communities has something for everyone. I am heading to a vintage shop standing since 1956, nestled on a busy street. I am at Jamnagari Farsan Mart.
90 साल पुरानी दुकान है। मेरे पिताजी के चाचा ने शुरू किया था और बाद में मेरे पिताजी और अभी हम लोग। जलेबी है 600 प्योर घी का और फाफड़ा है 460 पर केजी।
While on Google you will find a few shops by the same name, but they don't have any other branches. This is the authentic Jamnagari that promises authentic plate of jalebi and fafda. Time to taste. Each bite of the jalebis were crispy and really juicy with a mild aroma of kesar.
जलेबी प्योर घी में देते हैं, उसमें केसर वगैरह डालते हैं।
Coming to the fafda, it was really crunchy and light. The raw papaya chutney they had given also had a mix of crushed khaman and the entire combination stood out. Thanks to this varied form of the papaya chutney. A bite of kesar jalebi followed up with a bite of fafda. The combination is so satisfying. It is the ultimate food therapy. The 7 to 8 minute walking distance will take me to my next destination. I am inside the Mangal Das market lane trying to spot one of the oldest Gujarati farsan joints in Zaveri Bazaar. Wading through the crowds, I have reached Jagannath Chaturbhuj Halwai's shop. A plate of jalebi fafda comes with dry fruit jalebis, fafda, raw papaya chutney and thecha, which is a unique addition. These jalebis are pure ghee dry fruit jalebis. The jalebis were topped with a generous amount of dry fruits that have a good crunch. The jalebi were really well done with a perfect amount of sweetness and exuded a beautiful aroma of ghee. Coming to the fafda, it was really light and crisp, very flaky and thin too. I paired it up with the raw papaya chutney and the thecha, a salty, spicy, dry green chili chutney, which I was having for the first time with the fafda. And this combination was bomb. You might not get it anywhere else. Places like these are reasonably priced yet offer high quality, once again proving the point that good food doesn't always come at posh restaurants at high prices, but sometimes in the lanes of bustling crowds and honking streets. Explore these gems for authentic jalebi and fafda and you will not be disappointed.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.